Good morning, students. This is Singh sir welcomes you to the favorite YouTube channel. So, students, today we shall discuss Standard 4 English Grammar, chapter number 7, subject forming plural nouns. So, students, let us discuss what is a singular noun. A noun is said to be singular if it refers to one thing, single thing, one thing. For example, book, ball, chair, and a noun is said to be plural if it refers to more than one thing. More than one thing. For example, books, more than one book, this is plural. Books, balls, chairs. How we can form from singular to plurals? Forming of plural nouns. As a general rule, the plural of a noun is formed by adding s to the singular form. To the singular form, if we add s, then it can be converted into plural. Suppose you see arm, put s, then comes arms. Bird, birds. Dog, dogs. Horse, horses. But this rule does not apply in the following cases. What are they? To form the plural of noun ending in s, x, z, ch, sh, we add es. As, asses. Branch, es, branches. Buses, dresses, inches, benches, bushes, foxes, matches, boxes, bunches, classes, gases, taxes, etc. Number 2. To form the plural of noun ending in y at the last letter, if the word's last letter comes y, then with a consonant before it, we change the y to I and add es. Army, A-R-M-Y, army, y is the last letter. So, y is left out. If we want to convert it into a plural, then A-R-M-I-E-S, armies. Baby, babies. Buddy, buddies. City, cities. Country, countries. Duty, duties. Family, families. Fly, flies, lady, ladies, library, libraries, sky, skies, story, stories. So these words, in these words, the last letter comes Y. So we left out Y, we omitted Y, we cut down Y, then we added IES. Just we want to make it a plural. Number 3. But to form the plural of a noun ending in Y with a vowel before it, we add an S only. Boy, you just add S, boys. Day, days. Donkey, donkeys. Holiday, holidays. Journey, journeys. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Play, plays. Ray, rays. Story, stories. Toy, toys. Valley, valleys. Then fourth point, to form the plural of a noun ending in O with a consonant before it, we add ES. Buffalo, buffaloes. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Echo, echoes. Negro, negroes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Number 5. Point number 5. But to form the plural of noun ending in O with a vowel before it, we add an S only. Radio, radios. Bamboo, bamboos. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Then the following words are an exception to this rule. Exceptional cases. Potato, then you simply write S, potatoes. Piano, you write S, pianos. Just we want to convert it into a plural form. Number 6. To form the plural of a noun ending in F or FE, we change the F or FE into BES. In place of FE, if we want to convert it into a plural form, then in place of F or FE, we should write BES. For example, calf, calves. CALVES. Life, lives. Thief, thieves. Knife, knives. Self, selves. Wife, wives. Then point number 8. Some nouns are irregular plurals. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Man, men. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Louse, like. Mouse, mice. Then comes point number 9. A compound noun generally forms the plural of adding S to the principal word. Daughters, daughters-in-law. Men, son-in-law. Stepsons, fathers-in-law. Lookers-on, step-daughters, mothers-in-law, passers-by, maid-servants. Then point number 10. But the following compound nouns take a double plural. Man, man servant, men servants, woman teacher, double plural. Women teachers, woman servant, woman servant, women servants. So, some extra points are there to be noted. Some nouns have the same form for the plural and the singular. Deer, neither plural nor singular. Deer, sheep, fish, dozen, score, 100, 1000. Then the following nouns have a plural form but always take the singular verb. News, it is always singular. Civics, politics, physics, mathematics, all these are taken as singular nouns. This news is true. Physics is a difficult subject. The following nouns are always used in the plural form and take the plural verb. Thanks, scissors, trousers, pants. Muscles, moms. For example, my thanks are to you all. The scissors were blown. So students, in order to understand it well, we will have to go through the exercises as well. So, question number 1. Change the number of the following: ox, oxen; story, stories; mice, mouse, mice; goose, geese; fox, foxes; wives, wife; photo, photos; knives, knife; child, children. We have to change the numbers. Potato, potatoes; leaf, leaves; stories, story; armies, it's plural, armies; chief, chiefs; teeth, tooth. Then, second set, write the following sentences with the plural subject. The child is playing. We have to make it a plural sentence. The children are playing. It is the answer. The ox is grazing in the field. The oxen are grazing in the field. A policeman caught the thief. Policeman caught the thief. The army was suffering. The armies were suffering. A lion eats flesh. The lions eat flesh. It is the answer. A crow is sitting in the tree. Answer. The crows are sitting in the tree. Then fill in the blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. She has written dash tooth. She has white dash, ब्रैकेट में टूथ है. She has white teeth. This house has no story, मतलब stories. I have lost my dash shoe, मतलब shoes. Answer. The dash were crying. The babies were crying. This dash is not true. This news is not true. So students, here you see news is always text. It takes singular form. The news always takes singular form. There is no plural form of news, physics, mathematics, etc. and etc. Number 6. Dash is a difficult subject. Physics. Just I told you. Right now I told you before. Physics is a difficult subject. Then set number 4. Choose the right following sentences. Correct the following sentences. Correct the following sentences. Where is my trouser? Answer. Where is my trousers? There is no singular form of trouser. It is always trousers. There are many mouses in this house. There are many mice, not mouses. The plural form of mouse is mice. I have read many good stories. I have read many good stories. We saw wolf in the zoo. We saw wolves in the zoo. Please accept my thank. Please accept my thanks, not thank. Your scissor is blunt. Your scissors is blunt. So students, if you are satisfied with my teachings, then give me like, comment or share. And in my coming video, we shall discuss chapter number 4, standard 4, subject, the adjectives. Subject, adjectives.